Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video, let's unbox this, my new credit card by IndusInd Bank. Now I have applied for this card just a couple of days ago. It was instantly approved. So now here is the physical card that I had received. So let's just go ahead and open it. So I have received this basic sort of an envelope which will contain my new card. Let's just go ahead and open it and see how is it. So this is the card. This is the IndusInd Bank Pinnacle Credit Card and it's on the MasterCard variant. And this is the entire thing that came in the envelope. Just this letter, the card, that's it. So not a very fancy looking unboxing experience, but yeah, it is what you get when you apply for an IndusInd Bank credit card. So after the lackluster unboxing, or rather unenveloping of this card, we can discuss a couple of things that went good and went bad with my experience of getting onboarded for this credit card. So firstly, like, this is a plastic card. It looks nicer now, but it is a plastic card, although the looks are good, but it's not metal. Secondly, let's just discuss the reward points on this. So firstly, you get reward points on 100 rupees spent. So that's nice, because most of the other cards, they give you on 150 rupees spent. It's at least giving you points on 100 rupees spent. So for any e-commerce transaction other than travel, you get 2.5 reward points, and for travel and airline transactions on e-commerce website, you get 1.5 reward points. For any POS and other transactions, you get 1 reward point for every 100 rupees spent. And for other things like utility bill payment, insurance premium payments, government services, education fees, real estate payments like rentals and all, those you will only get approx 0.7 reward points for every 100 rupees spent, and that is on POS and e-commerce spends. And the value of every point is 0.75 rupees, and that is I believe for every redemption option. So like for redemption, you can see that you can get airlines miles. I think only Vistara and Intermiles is there. You can see this. You can get cash redemption like against your statement and all, and pay with points, and Indus Moment option is also there. And talking about the welcome benefits, so these are all the welcome benefits that you are supposed to get on your credit card. Now what happened with me is a very interesting story. Like I said, the onboarding of mine on this card was not a very smooth process. So what happened was, I applied for this card through the website itself. Like, I just clicked on apply now, and what happened was it gave me a couple of options. So Aura, Edge, Legend, all of those were there, and for Pinnacle credit card it was saying that I need to pay 5,000 as a fees, joining fees, and I'll get a limit of 5 lakhs on this card. So because I already knew about this card, and I already thought that it was a good card, I thought I'll apply for it on a reduced fees. And like, if you don't know that usually you will get this card with a joining fees of 15,000 rupees, and there are no annual charges whatsoever associated with this card from the get-go. Now since I was getting this card on a reduced fees of 5,000, I thought, okay, let's just go ahead and applied for it. So what happened was, I received this card a couple of weeks ago, and then I called up the customer care number. And by the way, this card, or rather I should say IndusInd Bank, the numbers mentioned on their customer service, like the toll number, then that number might not connect. So I'll flash a customer care number on which I was able to get some response on, just in case you're confused yourself on where to reach out for any customer support. So I called up that number, and the representative at the time told me that I will not get any welcome benefits because I have been issued this card on lifetime free basis. So at the moment I thought, okay, I'm not getting this welcome benefit, but at least I'm getting it on LTF basis. Then a few days passed and I received a message that I need to pay 15,000 joining fees. Then I waited for a couple of days, and then I got a 15,000 charge on my statement on this card, and I thought I'll call up the customer care again and understand from them what happened. So basically what they told me is that it is supposed to be issued to me on a 5,000 joining fees, but due to some internal technical glitch and all, the 15,000 was applied, and she said that it will be reversed and the original 5,000 plus GST that I would need to pay would reflect in a couple of business days. That has not happened yet, but I'm waiting for it. Let's see how it goes, and maybe in couple of days that 15,000 plus GST is reversed, and that 5,000 plus GST is applied. I'm waiting for that. Let's see how it goes. So that's the story of onboarding. And one more thing I would say is there is a lack of information on anything with IndusInd Bank, like on their website, on their net banking portal. It doesn't feel that intuitive. The UI isn't that friendly, user friendly, and like it's some, I would say even the terms and condition of different things are all over the place. So you can see that these terms and conditions are for the welcome benefit, then for golf you have a different link, and you can see this is to book the game, this is for the complimentary hole-in-one, and this again is for the list of clubs. So many links everywhere. That is something that I would say that IndusInd Bank should work towards fixing, make their net banking more intuitive. It would be much better to find the information in one place. So but coming back to the card, I applied for this card mostly for two reasons. Firstly, the golf benefit, and then the launch benefit. So starting with the launch, I'll get one domestic launch access domestically, and two international launch access through priority pass. But one of the main reasons to get this card was the golf benefit, and you can see that this is the golf benefit. I need to have some spends before I can actually use the golf. So as you can see that for this card, the Pinnacle credit card, I get two golf games and two golf lesson per month. Again, there was some confusion with the customer care representatives. I believe they were saying that it's quarterly basis, but here on the website it's monthly basis, so not sure what's happening there. And then it says that you need to have a minimum spend of 25,000 to avail this benefit. Now this has been my first month, and I still have booked a golf lesson, and it seems to be confirmed. I'll go to that lesson and see if that actually is the case. So I haven't obviously, since this is the first month, I haven't spent the 25,000 in the previous statement because there was no previous statement. Other than that, you have some Pinnacle assurance, basically accidental cover and all of those. Then you have book my show offer, which is buy one get one free, and I believe there is a quota and all of those on book my show. So it doesn't seem like I'll ever be using this. I already have an IDFC card which gives a much better benefit than this one. Assistance like priority care, direct connect, whatever. The concierge service is there, which again I don't think anyone but American Express gives a good concierge service, but I haven't used any of it, and I'm not planning to use concierge service. Then you have auto assist, which is also on the IDFC card, and this is basically if you are stranded on the roadside and you need some repair, your fuel is low or something like that, you can avail this service. This is all about this card, and I know like I have talked a lot of negative things about this card, particularly with my onboarding experience, but I'll wait on my final judgment on this card, because the initial impression might not be that good, but at least let's see if they reverse my joining fees from 15 to 5,000 like they promised, and if like golf benefits and all are goes smoothly, then I think this might be a good card. And if it turns out to be a good card, then I'll definitely make more videos on IndusInd Bank Pinnacle Credit Card, particularly on the golf benefits and the lounge benefits. And I do have a lot of opinions on this card, so I went into the terms and conditions of this card and I found some interesting things. I'll share those with you in the couple of videos in the future if like this card turns out to be good. So subscribe to my channel to see those, and let me just make a couple of videos on this, and so you can just get a better idea if you should apply for this card or not. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos in the future, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks, take care, and bye.